That was weird. I had a dream about me dancing on a giant, enormous potato with cotton candy on my head.